Astana holds a special significance for Pakistan, as it is at this venue that we formally joined the SU as member of state in 2017, and today we welcome yet another friend of Pakistan, Belarus, under the leadership of His Excellency Alexander Lukashenko as the newest member of SU. Mr. Chairman, in the past 1 year, Kazakhstan, as the chair of SU, has again proven its commitment to promoting the collective objectives of SU. We are thankful for your stewardship led us to reach important milestones duly reflected in the Astana Declaration. We also congratulate His Excellency Xi Jinping, President of the People's Republic of China, on assuming the chairmanship of SCO for the year 2024-25. I am confident that under his sagacious and visionary leadership, the SCO will continue to grow and prosper.